This woman, the one who seems completely indifferent to you right now, who acts like you don't even register on her radar. I'm here to tell you it doesn't have to be this way. There's a way to shift that dynamic, to make her feel your absence, to make her wonder about you, to make her. We're going to unlock the secrets of Stoic philosophy, not to become emotionless robots, but to harness our inner strength and use it to create irresistible attraction. This isn't about playing games, it's about becoming the best version of yourself, a man who commands respect and admiration, a man she can't help but miss when he's gone. Get ready to see a change in her, a change in the way she looks at you, a change in the entire dynamic between you. Let's begin. The first step to making her miss you is counterintuitive. It's about creating space. I know it feels like constantly reaching out is the answer, but trust me, it backfires. Epictetus, a Stoic philosopher, said, "No man is free who is not master of himself." Right now you might be a slave to your desire for her attention. You're at her beck and call, always the one initiating contact. This makes you predictable and frankly a little desperate. By pulling back, by not contacting her, you regain control. You become the master of your own emotions and actions. Think about it. How can she miss you if you're always there? This period of distance serves another purpose. It sparks her curiosity. When you go silent, she starts to wonder, where did he go? What is he up to? Suddenly you're no longer this ever-present, predictable guy. You've become a question mark in her mind, an intriguing mystery she wants to solve. Remember, scarcity creates value. The less available you are, the more desirable you become. So take this time to focus on your passions, your goals, your own life. Even when you master the art of the disappearing act, she might try to reel you back in. She might start liking your old photos, leaving vague comments on your posts, or even having friends randomly bump into you. These are classic attention-seeking tactics, designed to test your resolve. This is where your Stoic resolve comes in. Remember what Marcus Aurelius said, "You have power over your mind, not outside events." Don't give in to the urge to react immediately. Take a breath, analyze the situation objectively. Is she genuinely reaching out, or is she just trying to get a reaction out of you? More often than not, it's the latter. She's testing your boundaries, seeing if she can still control your emotions. Don't give her that satisfaction. Instead, respond with measured detachment. If she likes an old photo, don't immediately like one of hers back. If she leaves a vague comment, don't jump into a full-blown conversation. Keep your responses short, polite, and slightly indifferent. This kind of self-control is incredibly attractive. While you're creating space and resisting her bait, you want to make sure she's getting glimpses into your life, and not just any glimpses, but glimpses of you thriving. Think of it as curating your own highlight reel. Social media is your stage, and you want to showcase the most exciting, fulfilling aspects of your life. Share pictures of yourself engaging in your hobbies, pursuing your passions, laughing with friends, traveling to new places. The key here is authenticity. Don't fake it, genuinely enjoy your life, and let that joy shine through in your posts. Let her see that you're not sitting at home, moping around, waiting for her to come back. Show her that you're living your best life, embracing every moment and creating incredible experiences with or without her. This subtly reminds her of what she's missing. She'll see you happy, engaged, and thriving, and she'll start to feel a pang of longing for the time she spent with you. It showcases your attractive qualities. Let your actions speak louder than words. We're going to delve into a slightly more delicate tactic, evoking a touch of jealousy. Now, before you get the wrong idea, this isn't about trying to make her feel insecure or playing mind games. The key is subtlety. You want to plant a seed of doubt in her mind, make her wonder if maybe, just maybe, you're moving on. This can be achieved through a few subtle actions. For example, you might casually mention a female friend in conversation, someone you've been spending time with. You don't have to invent a girlfriend, just highlight a platonic friendship in a way that makes her think, wait a minute, who is this other woman? Another effective tactic is expanding your social circle. Go out, meet new people, and make sure she sees you enjoying the company of attractive women. It's simply about reminding her that you're a catch, that you're desired by other women, and if she doesn't make an effort, she might lose you. Her jealousy is not your responsibility, it's a reflection of her own insecurities. By subtly showcasing your desirability, you're not manipulating her, you're simply reminding her of what's at stake. And if she's not willing to step up and show you that appreciation, well, there are plenty of other women who will. Have you ever smelled a certain scent and been instantly transported back to a specific memory? That, my friends, is the power of association. Our brains are wired to connect experiences with sensory input, and you can use this to your advantage. Think back to your interactions with this woman. Were there any inside jokes, unique nicknames, or shared experiences that were specific to your relationship? These seemingly insignificant details are actually gold mines for triggering her memory. Subtly weave these reminders into your interactions with her, or into your social media posts that you know she'll see. Did you have a nickname for her? Casually slip it into a conversation? Did you share a favorite song or band, post it on your story? These subtle reminders will act like anchors, pulling her back to the positive memories you shared. Become the guy who introduces her to new things, who broadens her horizons, who makes her think differently. Did you read an interesting article? Share it with her and spark a conversation? By associating yourself with positive, unique experiences, you become more than just another guy. You become the guy who makes her feel alive. You're becoming a source of excitement, intrigue, and intellectual stimulation, a combination she won't soon forget. One of the most powerful ways to make a woman miss you is to tap into her desire for growth and learning. Women are naturally drawn to men who can teach them something, who can challenge their perspectives, who can open up their minds to new possibilities. This doesn't mean you need to become a walking encyclopedia. It's about sharing your passions and knowledge in a way that's engaging and inspiring. What are you knowledgeable about? What are you passionate about? Find ways to weave these topics into your conversations. Are you a history buff? Share a fascinating historical anecdote. Are you a tech enthusiast? Explain a new gadget or innovation in a way that piques her interest. The goal is to become a source of valuable information, someone she can learn from and grow with. By sharing your knowledge and insights, you're not just imparting information, you're demonstrating your intelligence, your confidence, and your passion. This creates a dynamic where she sees you as more than just a romantic interest. She sees you as a mentor, a guide, someone who can help her expand her horizons. By sharing your thoughts, your passions, your knowledge, you're not just making her miss you, you're actively contributing to her personal growth. You're becoming the guy who not only makes her feel good, but who makes her a better, more well-rounded individual. We live in a world that often rewards over-the-top emotional displays. But when it comes to attraction, especially when you're trying to make a woman miss you, emotional control is your secret weapon. Think about it. What's more attractive? A man who loses his cool at the slightest provocation, or a man who remains calm, composed, and in control, even under pressure? The answer is obvious. When you maintain emotional composure, you exude an aura of confidence and self-assurance. You show her that you're not easily rattled, that you have a handle on your emotions, and that you're capable of handling whatever life throws your way. This doesn't mean you should become an emotionless robot. It's about finding a balance between expressing your feelings authentically and not allowing your emotions to control your actions. Remember the words of Epictetus: "There is only one way to happiness, and that is to cease worrying about things which are beyond the power of our will." You can't control whether or not she misses you, but you can control how you react to the situation. Instead of panicking, overanalyzing, or desperately seeking her attention, focus on what you can control: your own emotions, your own actions, your own life. This inner peace, this stoic resolve, is incredibly alluring. It makes you a mystery, an enigma, a man who is comfortable in his own skin and doesn't need external validation to feel good about himself. We've covered a lot of ground today, from the stoic principles of self-control and emotional resilience to practical strategies for sparking her curiosity and making her miss you. Remember, this isn't about playing games or manipulating her emotions. It's about becoming the best version of yourself, a man of substance, integrity, and unwavering self-confidence. Embrace the teachings of the Stoics, not just as dating advice, but as a roadmap for personal growth and fulfillment. The principles we've discussed today, if applied consistently, will not only make you more attractive to women, but will also lead to a more fulfilling and meaningful life. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these principles resonated with you the most? Have you ever used any of these strategies to make someone miss you? Share your thoughts, experiences, and questions in the comments below. And if you found this video valuable, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content on dating, relationships, and personal growth. I'll see you in the next one.